Welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Today we're gonna jump right in because I am curious. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a wig that I received. It's been so long that they done messed around and leveled up on me because what is this? So I received the hair, an adjustable lace band, ASMR, a rat tail comb, and some flyaway balm, aka wax. But this is what's important. So look, it looks like a very normal, well, let me move this, gorgeous, long, ordinary wig, right? No, it's not. Looks can be deceiving. So let me show you guys the inside before I plop her on because I'm ready. I'm ready to get this thing started. We have a temple comb, another temple comb, a crown comb, a nape comb, the adjustable straps, and this is where you would attach this. ASMR. Speaking of ASMR, can you hear my dog snoring? So the lace is HD, invisible. Look at that, boom. I already know this hairline is about to be so clean. It's already pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Thank you, Jesus. See, look at that. You say, okay, yada, 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 Michelle. Let's see what it looks like when you put this on your head. And that's what I'm about to do. All right, so I'm putting it on, a lace band, elastic band, a lace, what is E-lace? Shut up. Elastic band first. Okay, that ain't gonna work. But I just want to show you the clean hairline. Let me engage these combs. I actually think I could probably get away with putting a silicone strip right here. I think that's what I'll do. Look at that, okay? Woo! Just to show you how awesome this hairline is. This is a lot of hair. So let me get one of the silicone straws. Now I'm talking sweet over myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. This is much better. So I want to show you guys how long this is. It's pretty long. This is 22 inches. Okay, so I backed up far enough away from the camera so you can see this is long. It's a lot of hair. So I've got my clips and I'm gonna go ahead and adhere the wig so I can get into styling it. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my... The primary way I'm gonna adhere this wig to my head is this She Is Bomb lace putty. And then I'm gonna go in afterwards to do some touch-ups with some Ebin lace adhesive spray. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. So now I'm gonna add a melting band and let that sit on for about 15 minutes. And give this lace putty a chance to do what it does best. ASMR. The disrespect. 15 minutes, 20 minutes if I get distracted. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Okay, so now the hairline is melted, y'all. Look at that. Hold on, let me get close. I mean, it looks good like this. It looks amazing. It looks good just like this. The wig is done, the install is done. It's giving Nicki Minaj when she had her make under, right? And the reason why I wanted to make sure that the wig is really secure was because I'm about to do a lot of manipulation. I'm not gonna curl her today. She's gonna curl for me. So I have not heard of this before, but apparently this is a 3-in-1 wig, which comes with 3 different looks. So if you add water, she will be curly. And if you brush out the curls, of course, she'll be kinky. And then we have this beautiful, like, I want to say it's kind of like a yaki straight, kind of like a kinky straight that's been pressed out texture. And she's 160% density, so you have a lot of fullness. So let's test it out, y'all. Now I'm going to activate these curls. I'm telling you, this hair is long. I got my trusty spray bottle here. Let's see how it goes.
I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
Okay, so I've been adding water. I was getting a little nervous there. The curls were not bouncing back as quick as I thought they would, but they're definitely there now. I can definitely see it. It just takes a little bit more time. So I kind of like that though. So it's like a nice wave. So if this is the way that you wanted to wear this wig, I would lock it in with some mousse or whatever gel of your choice. Just to remind you, this is what we started off with. This is how it came. This is where we are now. Okay, what is going on in the House of Commons? What? Where these curls come from? I was definitely not expecting to see curls like this come back. She's about, I want to say 80% dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and dry her all the way off so I can see what? You learn something new every day. She's completely dry. These are the curls that came out of nowhere. This is absolutely gorgeous. And now I'm totally gonna do the other side.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your head.
And the curl pattern is natural looking. Somebody come look at this. Like, so this is the hair after I went ahead and wet the other side, and then I diffused it. This is vacation hair. It's vacation hair, and you can't tell me no difference.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your...
So I went ahead and brushed out my curls, even though I didn't want to because they were so pretty. But you know what? This is definitely a vibe. It's editorial.
You to show, tickle you to show, feel shame. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love?
So I went ahead and I ran this through the hair and it straightened out so easily, y'all. Versatility. So I'm gonna do a lazy curl and basically a long curl, just to add a little pizzazz to the ends, a little razzle dazzle. See, Little wave.
If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love?
And now after adding this little curl, I think we are done, ladies and gentlemen. The defense rests. This wig is amazing. Thank you guys for going on the journey with me. We was in the trenches with this one today. So if you stuck around, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Stick around, watch a couple of more, subscribe, do whatever they say. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. All the information about this chameleon wig will be in the description box below, child. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Words, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah.